channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Today is Mermaid Savings Game Day, so let's get started. Shon, beautiful mermaid under the sea. Hey, I got Angela spirit under the sea. Woo! Da 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 da. I don't even know the words, Angela. Okay, so I ended here, so we're gonna start here. I am at 15 times around the board. Yes, 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 yes. And let's see, what do we have? We have money saved from the game. This is rollover money, so we're not counting that right now. And today we are saving $30. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 buckaroos. Okay, so let's see how well we do today in the mermaid game. Let's see, let's see. Let's play, let's play. Woo, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dang it. Go back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Y'all know what that means. 1, 2, 3. Mermaid times 2. My goodness, I'm a big roller today. 6, which means I have to save $12. Oh my goodness. 5, 10, 11, $12. Woo! That hurt my soul. I didn't even get around the board yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, roll again. I like that. Ta-da! 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, it says clam found, pay $1. Okay, so we gotta pay $1 for the clam. Oh, hold up, wait a minute. We got around the board. Woo! All right, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roll again. Roll again. Roll again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. New skins for $1. Whoop, whoop. By the way, I failed to mention the posse that's with me doing this challenge is A to Z Budgets. Hopping in the budget with Bunni. And Angela's hauls and savings and I don't have her title right, but it's on the screen. It's on the screen. Go Angela, go Angela. Angela was singing Under the Sea. Oh, okay, I gotta pay $1. Did I pay my $1? No, talking trash. Okay, there we go. We got new skins now, because every once in a while, you know, you gotta replace those mermaid skins. Oh, 10. Woo-hoo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! We're going around the board today. All right. Woo! Yes, let's do it. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh. Times 2. Not again. Another 6. When I wanted a 6. Uh-oh. I couldn't get a 6. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was close. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Whew. Okay, so I have $4 left. Okay, this is going to be a pretend roll. Okay, I'm not moving. I'm not moving because this game is over real quick. Oh my goodness. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. Times 2. Nope. 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 No. Okay, so did I really only get around twice? I feel like I missed one. Maybe I'm dreaming. Don't don't wake me, I'm dreaming. Okay, so that's it, y'all. Too bad I didn't land on roll and save any amount. Bunny did that, and she was like, I'm saving $30. I was like, dang, that was a good idea. I never even thought of that. Shon did the same thing. Shon had, I don't know how many dollars left, and she said, landed on there, and she just saved the rest of the money. So unfortunately, I have $4 in rollover, so I am not saving $4 today. So I got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I have $26. If you add it to what I already saved, 26, 27, 28, 29. Plus 10 is 39. So I have $139. 139. Save. Alright, where y'all at? 139. Alright, so now roll over at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 in rollover. Woo! That hurt. That hurted. That times 2 got me. That times 2 did not help at all. But this is a fun game. This is a very cute game. It's online. Shon has it in her Etsy shop, and it will help you save a lot of money, but it's fun. And there's some low amounts on here, but them times 2, y'all. Watch out for the times 2. They will get you times 2. Yes, yes. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to join us on the Mermaid Play or whatever we're going to do next, we're going to be playing games every Thursday for $30. Like I said, if you don't have $30, bring placeholder money to the table. Bring what you have. You got $20, $5, $10. Bring the money you have with placeholder money. Just play with placeholder money and be like, look, my $30 is here and I have saved $10, $15. We're just trying to have fun, y'all. But that's it. And the point is that you save money. That's the most important thing. These games are fun, but at the same time, it's very serious because we are saving money for our future, for our financial freedom, for our retirement, for our children, for generational wealth. And so, yes, we can have fun doing it, but at the end of the day, this is very serious business, guys. This is about saving money for the future and the quality of life that we have. And so join us, have some fun, and put some money aside. I think already with this, I know the first round we played Unicorn, I saved $150, and that's what this is, $150. So $300 saved just since I started playing with Bunny, which is $30 at a time. And we had so much fun. It doesn't even seem like, dang, we saved $300 already. Yep, $300 already. Yes, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's side money too. All right, that is all I have for today. If you like this video and you want more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.